My name is Milton Eisenberg, and I'm an attorney at Dan Chapman and Associates. And today I wanted to tell you about some of the cases that we're taking on with total ankle replacement surgeries that have had problems, severe complications. These are medical malpractice cases primarily against the doctors that put in the total ankle replacement implants. We've seen a number of doctors doing these recently. In 2010, the American College of Foot and Ankle Surgeons came out with a vote of confidence saying that total ankle replacement now they believed was a viable option for people that had severe osteoarthritis or deterioration of the ankle joints. In the past, ankle fusion surgery would have been preferred, where they actually fused the ankle and eliminated any motion or flexibility in the ankle. But in 2010, they felt like they had enough results from the ankle implants that have been done to say this now has a fairly good success rate. The problem is a lot of the doctors that are doing this have not been properly trained, and there are a number of complications, many of which are severe, that can come from these surgeries when the doctor does them wrong. Originally, only very experienced orthopedic foot and ankle specialists would do these surgeries, but over the last several years, you have general orthopedists doing these surgeries, you even have podiatrists doing these surgeries, and many of these doctors just have not been properly trained on how to do these complex operations. The medical companies who make these implants will have a weekend-long seminar. They'll invite the doctors or podiatrists to come down and learn how to do these over a weekend, and they just don't have adequate training to properly know when these are useful and how to put them in properly. And so we see severe complications, we see nerve damage inside the ankle joint, we see infections, we see problems healing with the wounds, we see fractures to the bones in the ankle after the implant is put in. Sometimes we see loosening of the implant, or the implant has been improperly aligned when it's put in. And some of these complications can be quite severe and even cause a person to be crippled and not able to walk at all for the rest of their life. Or in the worst cases, we actually see an amputation that has to take place where the person loses their foot or the lower part of their leg. So if you or a loved one have had severe problems after an ankle implant surgery, please give us a call at 1-800-321-4477 for a free consultation.